Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to draw hands with intertwined fingers. So it's something that is sort of like that, but seen from the view from the back of the hand, or seen from the view of the hand from this angle. So if your pencils all set, we're going to put in a few shapes to begin the framework. So an oval, or as we have seen, as we mentioned this in our videos featuring anatomy of the hand, a bell shape sometimes works better, but there won't be any bells. So behind that there's no bell shape for the other hand. Let's say the other hand is placed somewhat along those lines here. So that's the hand in the foreground, that is in the background, and the fingers will be reaching over like that, and these fingers will be going this way. So we'll start drawing the knuckles. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we can go 1, 2, 3, and 4. So those are the fingers for this particular hand. And if you check out our other videos on hands, we believe in doing the fingers in pieces, like we do sausages. So we're doing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now here we have these two fingers and these two fingers. So the way we are placing them is this one, you can see from the top, this one is slightly at that angle, and these two are at that angle. So 1, 2, and 3. And then we go back and just put in an oval for the thumb here. Let's just extend them out, 1 and 2. Okay, so that looks like a hand kind of already. And of course, if you flesh it out, it'll be something along those lines. Of course, you can Google images, and there's a lot of stuff out there that you could work with. But there we have the core composition going for this hand. Now let's actually draw the fingers right out. And as we have said always, that around these, like the joints, you try to make the fingers more rounder around the joints. So there's the skin, and then this finger, as we have said, is facing that way, and we will go with the framework like that. There's the knuckle set, and there's the, so just that tall, there's the index finger. Now, so what we're going to do is, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So those are the fingers of the other hand that is going to encompass the fingers in this hand. And of course the other hand, so we have to imagine, let's say the wrist is going backward, and we're going to use, first of all, let's do sausages again for this finger set as well. Now we have chosen to put the little finger in the middle here. Now we could go here too if we want, and just keep moving the adjoining fingers accordingly. And that could be an easier exercise. So one option is this, but there's this option as well, and we could explore this perhaps. The exercise is the same, it's just the angle that has to vary. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and of course only 1 and 2 seen from that angle, and 1 and 2. Now what we'll do is we're going to put some tones in. Okay, so we are putting that stone into this particular hand so that it stands out a little more clearly, and we are going to put in so that's 1. Put in sausages as well. We did put in the pencil format, but we can put them in now like this. Other finger, and then finally the index finger, and the thumb will probably stick out somewhere there. So if we were to look at this hand in the back view, it would go somewhat like that. So I'm going to streamline this a little bit because just brought the hand up a little closer there. Just bringing everything a little closer. We could distance them, but we could distance them a little more, but always better to have it work this way. And then we'll just put in the tones for the extended fingers to finish this off. So one way of just putting together some intertwined fingers, I would recommend checking out images on Google as well, as we mentioned. But we do put out content pretty much every day. We also have a lot of content on anatomy, which could be helpful. So please do subscribe. Keep in touch. Thank you for watching, and have yourself a wonderful day.